Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Manny be investing in BI, and we are going to be taking a look at Paribus. We've got a Paribus development update want to cover. This one dropped June 13th. Let's take a look and see what's going on. Our dedicated development team have been working relentlessly behind the scenes in this much anticipated update. We're excited to share the significant progress we've made on Paribus decentralized governance system. Ooh, good stuff, good stuff. All right, Crypto Bomba, we are ready to stake out PBX whenever you are. This is really exciting news for the community. Yeah, I'm ready to hear about that staking, to see if it's going to be something that's right up my alley, if it's going to be something that we need to prepare for and plan. We don't know yet. We don't know what's going to happen, how that's all going to work, what chain that's going to take place on. We use in the Polygon network. We use in Cardano, single-sided staking, platform staking. Like, what's the deal? We don't know, but they've got some updates for governance for us. So let's take a look at what they're giving us. Let's take it full screen here. Development update. Paribus, June 13th, I believe. Yep. The past few weeks have been busy for our development team as they prepare the mainnet V1 for release and progressed with laying the foundation for the next stages of our growth. Much of the work in the latest update center around preparing Paribus for decentralized governance, a key target of our roadmap. So what they mean by that is that they are building a governance within the Paribus protocol, creating a DAO, or a decentralized autonomous organization. This is on the project's roadmap, and they are working towards that. We've got product design. The design team has successfully achieved key milestones, including introducing exciting enhancements to the user experience for creating proposals from within the governance module. These accomplishments include an empty state view, improved editor functionality with multiple views, an enhanced summary feature, and addition of illustrations and icons to streamline proposal creation. Okay. In continuously refining and advancing the platform to meet the evolving needs of users, the designers have completed these elements across multiple mobile devices and included a dark mode. So I'm guessing iOS, Android, iPad, iOS, hopefully, stuff like that. Front-end development. A dedicated internal test environment has been created for the governance app. Okay, so hopefully we get a public test of that, focusing on two key components: a server for static files and an internal domain. This environment has been established to conduct thorough testing to ensure the dApp's reliability and performance. The team also worked on the creation of a user-friendly stake management UI, aiming to help users manage their stake and voting power effectively. 3 essential staking cases have been identified and addressed. So they are speaking of the infrastructure for the staking, governance staking. Let's see here. The team has also worked on creating user-friendly stake management. Initial stake. Users can enter the desired stake amount and select a period from the available options. The UI guarantees that the chosen amount and period will earn at least 1 vote. Increasing stake amount. Users can stake additional PBX tokens at any given point to gain more votes. The UI provides a straightforward process for users to increase their stake and subsequently enhance their voting power quickly. So they have like this kind of like game built into the governance staking. Like you can bluff and you can back up your vote with more additional tokens. That's interesting. Extending staking duration. Users can decide to extend their stake duration by adjusting the staking period to align with their preference. The UI ensures that the chosen term extends the staking period seamlessly. To enhance the experience, all the stake management actions will be readily accessible through a dedicated UI, providing users with a simple and intuitive workflow. Additionally, the application includes a history feature, enabling users to review and track their past stake management actions. Another key objective is introducing multi-chain support, enabling users to seamlessly select and switch between chains within the dApp through a chain selection option. Upon changing the chain, the UI dynamically updates to reflect the new selection. The previously static invalid chain page has been transferred to display multiple chains for users to select. This improvement allows users to switch to a valid chain easily. To enhance the user experience on desktop devices, a search bar has been implemented to allow users to locate and select their preferred chain quickly. To aid proposal creation, a WYSIWYG like editor has been developed to output markdown text to create a proposal description. So I'm assuming a basic open office type of situation, or like an office type of built-in integration, so that you can type and have like the ability to change fonts and things like that. Go bold, italic, underline. A dedicated library has been developed to facilitate the seamless integration of dApps and internal services within the protocol, or with the protocol. This library is a viable resource, providing access to essential protocol configuration details, such as contract addresses and their ABI for each deployment. Did they mean API? Backend development. While the governance aspects of the backend development is still in progress, the team has completed the following elements. The VPBX backend backlog has been addressed to ensure smoother handling of its functionalities. In addition, the team submitted the protocol to our internal testing regimen, which it passed successfully. The devs have also focused on bug fixing in the production environment, promptly addressing and resolving critical issues to ensure a stable and smooth user experience. So, looks like we did get some questions answered. So we're talking about governance staking. That might be all we need. We just need to get into the governance and stake. That's kind of, what Indigo is doing, or how Indigo works. The governance staking seems a little bit more detailed, and like it has more options and things that you can play with and adjust. Like the period of staking, it seems like you can kind of do bluff governance, where you put up 1 million tokens for vote, and then you see how things go. If the fight for the opposite starts to push forward, you can say, hey, I got 25 more million PBX tokens ready to be voted in governance. You can then adjust your position, stake your tokens, and then scare off the no's, right? Then run them off and win your vote on the protocol for governance, for whatever it may be. Maybe you put up a proposal, or maybe you're just voting on something else. This is going to be interesting. I can't wait to actually see a demo of this. Hopefully, they have plans of creating something for the public, or at least influencers, media creators, whatever, to get a look, test drive, maybe even create content for the users. But this is a very interesting governance. We haven't had an AMA to really discuss governance in the directions that they are going in with it. So all of the governance updates that I've gotten since the last AMA has been text. These updates here, these dev updates. So looking forward to hopefully getting to ask some governance related questions and get some real answers this time, because before in the past it was really early and they weren't even really sure what they were going to use. But now clearly they have a roadmap for how they want their governance to work and what they want it to look like. So I'm curious. I want to ask questions. So hopefully I can partake in the next AMA Twitter space, which I think they do have one coming up here pretty soon. So be on the lookout for that. But in the meantime, governance, Paribus, back on the pre-release version, the testnet preview, however you want to call it, the non V1 version of Paribus. Are you using it? Are you watching TVO like I am constantly? I'm really right now, I'm just really interested in kind of just tracking the journey, looking at the protocol. I want to definitely take a look at it since it's been polished a little bit and put back up after the fix, and take a look at the things that I like over the preview version. Yeah, but those are all my plans, and I'll be rolling those videos out shortly here. I am back. We're making content. We got a lot of stuff to cover, a lot of stuff to talk about. Make sure you hit that like and hit the subscribe if you haven't, so that you can keep up with these videos that I got coming. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.